I like to cook this meal if I come home late at night. Don't have a lot of time, but I still have to get things done, walk the dog and everything, but make a meal. Put this on the stove. It cooks pretty much by itself. Real low heat between medium and low on the stove. And very few ingredients. You've got one sausage frozen. About everything in this recipe is frozen. And then we're going to put some shrimp in the pan, and then put our bok choy and our sliced salad olives and our onions and some spices, and put it on top of the stove with the lid and let it cook for about 20 or 30 minutes on low temperature, between low and medium. And while that's going on, we can take a we can take a bath or a shower, walk dog, whatever you want. It's cooking all by itself on low heat. And if you keep all these ingredients in your freezer frozen, you don't have to do much work. You can just take them out of the bag and put them in the pan. I always have extra onions chopped in the freezer ready to go, along with the tomatoes and the bok choy. So it's a real easy meal to put together. You just take stuff out of the freezer, out of the bag, put it on the stove, put the lid on with your spices, and you're good to go. I like to use parsley, a little bit of red pepper flakes, and because I'm adding garlic powder, I want to add a lot of parsley. And then also some Italian dressing. And while that's cooking, I want to remember to add some turmeric to the water I'm going to use to boil the ramen noodles. That gives it a nice golden color. I forgot to add onions in this recipe. I have to put them in later. And the meal just about makes itself. And it is a real nice flavor. And when it's finished cooking, the smell from the sausage and the shrimp and all the spices give a really nice aroma in the house while it's cooking. In about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, it's all cooked up. You want to chop the sausage in little pieces. We're only using one sausage for the flavoring. It's not a meal of sausage. That sausage is really more of a condiment really than anything. And all those vegetables and spices have come together and made like a real nice juice. I add a little bit of soy sauce at the end to give it a little bit color and a little more salt. And there's nothing in the water when we boil the ramen noodles. It's just the turmeric. There's nothing else. I don't use that packet of powder that comes with the ramen noodles. Just let it boil for 3 minutes like everybody knows. Put it in your plate. Top it with the sausage and shrimp and bok choy and a little bit of cheese. We're good to go. Guys, if you like this recipe, I got a much more on my playlist. And put new stuff on every week. And this is good stuff here. It's real quick. Like I said, it cooks on the stove while you're doing something else. And if you're over or under on the timing, if you forget a few minutes, it's not critical. You don't have to stand there and watch it. It's lazy cook's recipe. Lazy cook meal. For a hungry man. All right, guys. Take care. I hope you liked the video, and see you out there. Oop, forgot the sauce or the cheese. There you go.